Oh, well, hello. You know what day it is? I promise there won't be any more quizzes. This is Wednesday. Woo! Which means, of course, for those of us in the fun, fearless female global community of Christian women, it is Words of Wisdom Wednesday. And I really do want to thank you for popping in, commenting, sharing every single week. I'm Kathy Weaver, and I'm part of Delinda Lane's fan club. She did her show the other day, and she was mentioning that we met in 2017. I actually think that is that's when I was in her coaching class. We probably met that fall before that in 2016 October-ish, but that is pretty amazing. And oh my gosh, I'm grateful every day, which is one of the reasons I love networking. I don't know if you guys knew that. So one of the things I wanted to share today, if you have been to any of my in-person networking workshops, my first book came out in 2012, Networking on Steroids. And so with all the different chambers of commerce and groups and organizations that I did presentations for, I turned that into what's in your networking toolbox. So I literally have, thanks to Cindy Shelton and Karen Higgins, I have a great big, and I'm talking big, orange toolbox. My book is orange, so that's why, and branding, etc. And so I would go to colleges or whoever hired me for their presentations. What's in your networking toolbox? So of course I pop it open and see what's in it. So I wanted to share today a tool. What is in your social media toolbox? What is in your networking toolbox? Did you know they maybe could be the same thing? I don't know. Did you know that? So before you say, no, I don't do that, hang on. What's in your networking toolbox? What's in your social media toolbox? And please don't stop listening when I say this word. Artificial intelligence. You hear people talk now about ChatGPT, ChatGPT 3, 4, whatever number they're into. You hear everything now has AI after it. So, did you know that this is a tool in your toolbox? Whether it's your social media toolbox, whether it's your networking toolbox, just please trust me. And before you say, I don't do that, please hear me out. When you go to whatever platform you choose to do for artificial intelligence, I feel that my ChatGPT is my assistant. Right here in my office working with me, it's my assistant. Hey, ChatGPT, how do I this? Hey, ChatGPT, give me a list of that. Hey, ChatGPT, what would be a great what? So please consider, if you haven't used it yet for your social media tool, please just try it. Everybody was having trouble earlier getting on. It's too busy. It's too booked. The servers are overloaded, blah, blah, blah. That luckily has kind of calmed down a little bit. Plus, I'm sure they upped the server capacity. But in any case, let's please think about that. You've got your assistant right here in your office and you want to brainstorm. You've got your board of directors. We've talked about that before on these calls. You've got your board of directors right here in your office with you. What are you going to talk about? Please help me brainstorm my what? Same thing with ChatGPT. It's a tool in your toolbox. So when I do workshops and trainings and things like that, I have said before, what would happen if you said to ChatGPT, or again, whatever platform you use, create a LinkedIn post regarding alkaline water. Create a LinkedIn post regarding wellness and hydration. Sometimes ChatGPT talks back to you and says, I need a little more specific topic. So again, it's your board of directors is with you. So being me, I push the envelope, stretch the Chat GPT capacity. So then I say things like, give me a list of Jeopardy formatted questions regarding networking. So of course I'm thinking I'm stumping it, right? Yeah. And I'm sure ChatGPT is saying, this ain't my first rodeo there, sister. Jeopardy formatted questions regarding hydration. Jeopardy formatted questions regarding social media. In 2007, a platform came to be that has revolutionized social media and connected people from across the globe. What is Facebook? Ta-da! So now you've got your event and you are with your computer or your phone and you've typed in Jeopardy formatted questions for ladies group, for luncheon topics, for icebreaker questions. It's your tool in your toolbox. It's your board of directors. It's your assistant. Please consider stretching. Instead of saying, nope, I don't do that. I heard it's controversial. People are starting to do really bad stuff with it. I'm not doing that. Okay, I appreciate all of that. But I just encourage you to stretch. What happens if you want to talk about molecular hydration, chemistry, alkalinity, electrolysis chambers, those kind of things? Well, I can again talk to my peers about that, but possibly not my clients or my prospects because I just lost them, probably. I want people to know about water and filtration and chemical-free lifestyle. Push a different button, do laundry. Push a different button, do carpet cleaning. Push a different button, cook. Well, I don't push that button, but you know what I mean. So the cool thing is you have a cool tool in your toolbox for social media posting. Please try it. There's all different types of websites. Just Google ChatGPT and it'll come up with something that is a website that'll work for you. If you want my specific one, just message me and I'll send it to you. But it's just an opportunity to stretch. What would happen if you said format in 8th grade language a question regarding hydration? And by the way, 8th grade language is not what you think. You might not know the answer, FYI. Maybe you need to do 5th grade or 2nd grade or something like that. These kids nowadays, holy moly. So make ChatGPT work for you. There's lots of different ways to use a hammer. Trust me. So there's lots of different ways to use ChatGPT. Give me a list of puns regarding pets. Give me a list of puns regarding travel. Give me a list of puns. Give me a list of icebreaker questions. One of my friends actually said, write a poem about, and he got very specific, and ChatGPT wrote a poem. Pretty cool. Change a few words if you don't want the plagiarism topic. Once again, when we have gone through this, when you look it up, no one owns it. This is artificial intelligence. So no one owns artificial intelligence. Therefore, it's not an organization or a person. But to keep all that litigious stuff out of there, just fix it, tweak it, add your own words. It's pretty cool. It's pretty fun. So what's in your networking toolbox? What's in your social media toolbox? I hope you will add artificial intelligence platforms. And I can't wait to see what you come up with. Give me a list of hashtags for alkalinity. You're going to be seeing a lot of that these days. Thanks for joining me today on Words of Wisdom Wednesday. I'm Kathy Weaver, and I am definitely part of the fan club for Delinda Lane and the Fun Fearless Female Global Community of Christian Women. And I would like to know what you are using ChatGPT 4 in your business. Bye for now, my friends, and thank you again for joining in all the time. I appreciate the comments. Bye for now.